This is B-roll of me arriving in Houston that I will never use because I don't really vlog. Are you fucking serious?
Oh, come on. Damn it! He unplugged me.
Are you serious? You fucking hitting me with your props? What a dick move. Oh my God. This is the guy who was so concerned about wanting to be a nice person.
Have you met him? He's an asshole.
I know that.
I think your quad kind of looks like an ankle. That's what happened.
So we're just like rolling down the street. We see a random FPV guy.
So we're gonna go up and just gonna say hi. This guy's just flying in a park. He has no idea.
This is gonna be hilarious.
Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
What are you flying? How fast does that thing go? 40?
Windy right now.
Yeah.
But it's my first time flying it first person point of view.
Oh, no shit. It's your first time? You never flew it before?
I flew it, but not first person.
I'll stop talking to you. Make me nervous.
Yeah, it's a different experience.
Yeah, we fly a little FPV ourselves.
Oh yeah?
We saw you flying. We thought we'd come over and say hi.
Cool, man. Yeah, let me kind of bring her down. I've never landed her.
Well, you know, just dump it. Just dump it. It'll be fine. How you doing? Hey! What's your name?
Oh my God! Talk about a small world. I'm a month in. I watch all your videos. Wow. Awesome, man. Thank you. Wow.
Why are we going to be late for Quad Camp, Drew?
Because I'm trying to make that clickbait thumbnail. Do you think people are going to click this? Click this. There's a link in the description to this video, which is, I think, my favorite video ever.
This isn't going in.
Click to see what happened. Click to see what happened. Please put it in.
Can we go to Quad Camp?
Come on, you have
now?
70,000 subscribers.
People paid.
Can I have some
People
of them?
paid.
Can I have, hey,
Let's go.
Hey, Bard, do you have a name for your crew?
No.
Like, he's got the Swarm.
You have the swarm.
I've never said that publicly.
If you're a fan of Stinger Swarm, you're part of Stingy's Swarm.
What are yours called, Drew?
My flock.
The flock?
The flock, because I'm like a bird. Although I said it in one video and like multiple people were like, no. So I don't know if it's gonna stick.
So, you got a new hobby?
Yeah. Live stream, Twitch all day.
That's right. You're gonna switch to live streaming pretty much so you can just play Zelda all day.
Yes.
Got it.
It's gonna be days of time wasted.
Let me see your map. you gotta start unlocking the towers, man.
What towers?
Best quad camp ever.
I got away with 4.7, but when I went past 4.75, it finally died. Well, I didn't say it died. It went to heaven. It went to heaven.
Protect you and all your surrounding friends. You're all going.
I look really weird doing this, so I'm just gonna
You
stop.
look a little weird.
One thing you don't know about Willie is his, okay, you can know, you probably should know. His online Steam gamer name is Leaky Butthole. But honestly, his name is Leaky Orifice because this man is constantly sick and sneezing and farting and oh my god, I don't know what is wrong with him, but something's messed up on the inside. It's pretty disgusting.
That was way better than I could have hoped for. That was way better than I could have hoped for.
Oh, watch out.
Got the lead.
Apex, hot Apex.
I don't know. I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead.
Oh, no, I'm passing you again. I got such a clean look.
No! What did I do wrong? I was in the lead until the very end.
Because you took the first corner tight and I went for the double apex on 2 corners.
Oh, no, you're doing this one again.
No, I'm not.
Is it live? Is it live?
I'm not doing things. I'm not doing my things. I'll be done. Stop it. You're selling me out. You're selling me out. Don't tell Chad.
All you guys out there who think that pro pilots just, you know, their drones work, all you guys are frustrated where your shit's all broken and you can't keep your quad in the air and it's terrible. It's the same. It's the same for everybody.
The difference is that I'll give you is I didn't pay for this.
True.
So like I'm a lot less frustrated.
Yeah,
I'm a lot like more like, well, you know, this is annoying, but like whatever.
Just throw it. Just throw it. Just
no, because I love it when it flies. I just don't know what is going on with it.
What happened to your diatone though? You loved the diatone.
I loved the diatone and then I exploded it.
And someone gave you the leader, or this is a win, the win,
yeah.
and you just forgot all about the diatone. Ladies, keep that in mind. A younger, sexier drone, and then as soon as anything disappointing or unfortunate, or and he's just like primed. I'm gonna put that meme, you know, the meme of the guy. I'm gonna stick to the guy. He's like, yeah. He's like, win 2. Diatone GT90.
My rant about product development in the industry is that companies don't have, typically, in my opinion, a good enough bed of test pilots, right? So I look at 2 pilots who received the IX-12 at the same time I did, and we were among like the first 20 or 40 users. So there were still some issues with it, and I've been sending suggestions to Spectrum, user interface suggestions, telling them that the power and battery issues that it had at its launch were an absolute deal breaker, and most everything that I have said to them, they have either already implemented or told me that they are working on it, and based on the improvements I've seen, I trust them. Now I see 2 other people. Spectrum! if he got it today with the newest firmware update, I'm confident he would like it.
Get your you-know-what together.
But he just continues to, like, rant on and on about the initial issues.
It's pissing me off when I have to wait for a glacier to go by before I can change models on my radio. And then by that point, I probably I'm not alive anymore. You know what I mean.
This is not something Spectrum is guilty of, but something that other companies are guilty of that I really dislike is asking me to test their product when they really want a review video.
Right.
And really mixing up the two words. If you ask me to test it, I will test it and I will provide phenomenal feedback. I always do. Very detailed. I will find all the issues with it. I always find at least one suggestion for improvement. Guaranteed. And then sometimes they've been, okay, well, when's the video come out? I'm like, you don't want me to put out a video. They're like, no, but that's why we sent it to you. You know, that was payment. And I was like, you probably shouldn't do that again.
Should you get paid for testing this stuff?
I do think so, yeah.
Do you get paid for testing this stuff?
I've never been paid for testing stuff. So most of the time I say no unless it's a product that I'm genuinely interested in. Like with Spectrum, I wanted the product and I wanted to know about it. So the personal value that I got from it, I'm like, okay, it's worth me testing and providing feedback. I definitely won't be making a video with my name on it unless, I really think it's a benefit to my viewers.
There you go.
Right? I mean, because there have been times where a company has sent me something and I'm like, just because I do think it's such a great product, I'm like, I'm going to get views for this because it's a great product. Mm-hmm. Like the newbie drone, Acrobee, that's a great example. And they never really expected me to do it. Like, they were just like, just try it. And they were confident in it. They're like, we know you're going to love it. And I did, and every time I fly it, I'm like, I'm flying this Acrobee, it's sick. Mm-hmm. I'm not paid, I just really like that thing.
Yep.
Send me more newbie drones. I want like 3 of them.